Hey, Robert Keeper here with H2O Pro, and we are on another water damage from a supply line that broke. I'm going to show you how we took care of everything and how we're drying this thing out, and we're going to start right now. Okay, so the supply line for the kitchen actually broke over in this area and flooded everything down. It hit all the drywall and then turned around and teed off, and it went everywhere. The entire drywall area, a lot of the parts had fell down, and we had some microbial growth. We ended up taking care of that and passing that, then turn around and getting to the drying stage. We had to remove a couple of the flex lines where water came in through the supply registers, and then turn around and flood it into there. Right, didn't affect the bathroom over there, but did get this closet. We had water all up in the light up here. We had to remove this ceiling in this closet area. We got that drying. We got some air movers down here now, and we removed this section. That way we could check the bathroom side without removing the vanities and cracking tile and taking off countertops, saving the insurance company a lot of money. Then we set up a whole bunch of air movers so we can get some evaporation going on. We got a dehumidifier there, taking that moisture back out of the air. Got everything under negative pressure. That way we're keeping dust and debris and any type of contaminants away from our workers, and getting that stuff exhausted to the exterior of the building envelope. Next, we're going to go upstairs. I'll show you what that looks like up there and where the source was, and we'll do that right now. Okay, and here we go upstairs. All right, so water turned around and flooded that. It wicked up the drywall. You couldn't see it, but using the proper meter, be able to tell you where all the hidden bound water is. So anyways, the drywall got soaked there. We had to remove that 2 feet up through there. And we got some air movers here, and that's drying out the subfloor. Took such a beating over 3 weeks. You can't see it, but there's a lot of clay there. So some of this subfloor, this section, that one, and these two over here, so 4 sections of that's probably gonna have to come out. Anyways, again, we got air scrubber over there, ducted to the exterior of the building envelope. Turn around and got more air movers over here, drying the framing. And we got a little vortex style setup here, partially to dry out this floor. This came underneath tile, all the way underneath there, and soaked the hardy backer, went underneath the hardy backer, soaked underneath that layer, so we couldn't save anything there. We had to remove it all. Anyway, so this is what some of our structural drying jobs look like. As you can see, it is extremely neat and absolutely clean. And if you're an insurance adjuster or an insurance agent, we'd be happy to help you as well. Get a company who's competent and knows exactly what they're doing, how to keep a good job site, how to keep customers happy, make sure that the claims experience, as bad as it is, ends up being the best experience they could have in this type of situation. Everybody, thanks so much for everything. If you have any water damage or structural drying needs, call the pros, H2O Pro, 302-321-7077, or find us on Facebook at Water and Mold Pros, or Facebook.com/Water and Mold Pros, and on the website watermoldpros.com. Thanks so much. Everybody have a wonderful day.